Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. Okay, I'm back with another video, another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Jessica the Prankster in this video that's called Baby Powder in Hairdryer Prank on My Mom. And I'm sure a lot of you have already seen it, but I want to react to it. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to the video.
What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video, and as you can tell from the title, you guys already know what's up, what's about to go down. So I've been seeing this all over YouTube, but it was the couples edition when the boyfriend puts the powder in the girlfriend's thing. Well, I decided I should do that on my mom. I've never done this before. I don't know what's going to happen during this video, so make sure you guys comment down RIP, or you guys should comment prayer hands, because I need the Lord right now. So I just felt like doing that, just to your reaction, and I hope you guys like her reaction. I don't know how she'll react, so don't get me wrong, but without further ado, I'm just stop talking, and let's get right into the video. Oh crap, I forgot to do the little hair thing. Okay. My phone froze. Okay, bye. So, my mother is currently outside, and this is about to be good. She is about to wash her hair and dye it. I don't know what she's about to do first, but she did say something about dyeing her hair today, and that means she has to wash it. So, go up the stairs. Okay, so I need to set the camera somewhere because my hair looks a mess, but I need to set the camera somewhere so that she would not see it. No, I want to get a front angle.
Sorry, I have a itch in my eye. Sorry about that, everybody.
Reaction, but I don't know where to put the camera. So just give me a second. I don't know, because she is kind of tall, so I think I need to back it up. So hold on, guys, bear with me. I might get it this time anyway, who knows. I got some gas, I need to go pee, oh my gosh. Okay, maybe, okay, it's not about me right now, or it is kind of about me, but it's not. So, y'all are about to see me make a story. Okay, it's not about me. It's not. Oh, crap, nuggets. Okay. Turn off. My mom, she can hear it. Oh man, I put the camera up behind the powder. What am I thinking? Okay, so hold up, guys. I don't know what I'm doing here. So here's the powder. Guys, I hope this video went crazy like the other one, because the armpit hair one got 2.4 million views in a week. So thank you guys for that, and we are on the road to 2 million subscribers. We're at 1.9 million. So if you want to join the JCP Nation family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Really, hit that subscribe button. Share this video to everybody. Get everybody to follow and subscribe. We need to get too many. It's coming out the back of it. At this point, I don't know what to do. But it's not a lot coming out of it, so. Okay, I need to fix this because I don't want her to see that there's powder in it. Okay, there you go. Clean that off. Sorry, Mom, for using your thing, but oh crap, it's all over the counter. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, it's taking too long, but she wouldn't notice. Okay, I just gotta clean the powder off of the thing, and okay. I need to put this under. Yeah, I'm putting it right here. She won't notice that. Hold that. And I'll see you guys in a bit because when she do figure out that the powder is in here and it's all over her face, she's gonna call me. So that means I gotta. There's powder literally everywhere. Okay, so that means I gotta play dumb and do me. Cool. So, whenever my mom calls me, that's my cue to come back. So,
oh, here's her mom.
Jessica. Yeah? What? This is not the hairdryer I wanted. This one is broke. This one's broke. I don't want it I don't want this broke. Use it. It's broke. No, just use it right quick. It's nothing major. It is. It's not gonna come on. Yes, it is, because I just used it. You didn't use that one. Yes, I did. I tried. All right, where's my shampoo and stuff? I gotta get in here and wash my hair. I'm doing something. I don't feel good. Okay, let me try to find the other blow dryer, because this blow dryer, it don't work. I know it don't work because Mom, I just literally used it yesterday and it worked perfectly.
Sorry, I had
Jessica, why is it that you give me complications all the time? How are there complications? I told you that it worked. Okay, you're going to make me use something that
Sorry about that, everybody.
Blow dryer is a blow dryer. No, it's not. One works better than the other one. Well, just use that one just for now. Where's my curling iron? I might want to use that too. So you're going to take your hair out the ponytail? Yes, I'm going to take my hair out the ponytail before I wash it. I'm not stupid. I know how to wash hair. Shit, I brush mine, brush the naps and stuff out of it before I get in the wash my stuff. I know what I'm doing. And I lather my...
Sorry, I cracked my
I lather my hair up and stuff. Yeah. But that's still not the hairdryer that I want. I don't know why I got to use that one. Hey, did you see this new shampoo that come out? It's called Dove. Wait, Mom, can you leave right quick? I'll fix the bathroom. Oh, come on. What are you doing? Mom, why you can't use your own bathroom? You party on grass. Come on now.
She's gonna put more powder in her mom's hairdryer. Sorry, my nose is leaking a bit. Sorry about that, everybody. Oh my god, she's gonna get it. You might want to put that powder up, Jessica, so we doesn't suspect the flame.
I'm done. Never get in the bathroom. You'll always be like that to get in my back so down with you. And I don't want that other hairdryer found. Because I really don't like this hairdryer. I don't like this. How you doing? It's broken. What in the dog's heaven? Stop! What the heck?
She knows Jessica's behind it.
Is this your what? Okay.
Oh, now she's gonna get her with it.
Jessica, why would you do something like that? Because you deserved it. Because you stank, that's why. I'm not cleaning this up. No, I'm not. Don't put some more. Why are you doing that? My God. I'll put some more in there.
Hold on, everybody. Notification popped up. Hold on. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
Stop! You deserved it. You deserve that too. Jesus. Come here, let me see. No. Come on. Because you play too much all the time. Okay, I ain't gonna do it no more. Come on. Let's look at my floor. Yeah, you cleaning that up, making a mess. Come here. No, I did not teach you to make a mess. Come here, Jessica. No. But you got the powder in your head. I got powder in my hair. Yeah. I got powder on my lips. Yeah. Jessica, why would you do something like that? Just look at this mess. You gotta know. That's what you did. Stop! You understand that? Jessica, come on in and clean this up now. No, you clean it up. I'm not cleaning up a goddamn thing. Yes, you is. Jessica, why would you make me tell you this is all over my floor? Oh, man, go get a sweeper. The vacuum part and clean this shit up. You always making messes and stuff. You do too much. So childish. Don't do that no more. Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't feel good. Don't do it. What? You so childish. Turn around, look on your back, child. You got stuff everywhere. What you running for? I see you. I don't appreciate this. Why? Cause look what you've done to my head. Look at my glasses. That shit ain't funny, Jess. Why would you do something like that? Cause you stink. You lucky I don't feel good. You really are. You needed some I'm not using this bathroom. You're taking my shit and getting the hell out of here. I bet you better clean that powder and shit. It's called the stank medicine. I bet you better get this powder up. No. I bet you better get that powder up. Why you put this stuff down? Huh? Why you put this... Stop! No, you better turn it loose. No, you better turn it loose. You better turn it loose. This bathroom don't look like a goddamn Don't tear up my goddamn shower curtain. You got that shit all over my shower curtain. Get your ass out of here. Oh, hell no. Jessica, I'm not playing with you. You don't put that on me. Get away from my damn shower curtain. Get away. You're tormenting me. Get away. Get away. No, you better get your ass out of here. Don't. Jessica, you got that shit all over my shower curtain. Get out. You don't put that on. Get out. I'm scared. Jessica, I'm not playing with you. Get out of my bathroom. Look, you done fucked up my shower curtain. I don't play that shit out my goddamn shower curtain. You can't buy no goddamn shower curtain like that. Get out. It's like I'm gonna get a whooping. Get out, Jessica. You messing up my shower curtain. You're gonna put that on me. Get out, Jessica. Look what you done to my shower curtain. Ain't nothing on here. Look, Jessica. Look, all of that shit that you switched in my shower curtain like that. It's not gonna come off. I don't play that shit. Now you know what you damn fuck. You won't spray me with. No. You done messed up my shower curtain, my yes. You better. Oh, here's the camera.
Oh, she noticed.
Oh, but that's okay.
She noticed the camera.
That's okay. Do y'all see Jessica hiding in the thing? Woo!
Oh, she's getting it on her.
Ah! Hey! Yes, sir. Come on up out of there. Okay. That little prank backfired on you, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
Come on. Come on up out of there. You better come on. I'll do some more now. Oh, that's so beautiful. Say, please stop, Mom. Please stop, Mom. I won't do this anymore. I won't do this anymore. I promise. Okay. I promise. Okay, here go your phone. Ew. Don't play too much. Yeah. You play too much. What's wrong with that? Oh, let me get the time. No. Leave me alone already. Yeah, now you wanna holler back. Leave me alone already. Look at my hair. It don't matter. You childish. It don't matter. It don't matter. Play too much. Okay, so if y'all like this video that I did on her, then please give me a thumbs up. No, you don't need no thumbs up right now. Just because you're tracking that shit out through my house. No, I'm not. Oh. You got it on my shoes. So I bought them. So? Get out. You get out. You better fix this hair dryer. You better get out my house. Look at my damn shower curtain. You know better than that. You play too much. No, you play too much. Get out of here. Play too much. Get out of here. Get out. Get in my shower curtain. Just look at that damn mess. No, you still recording? No.
Yes, she is.
You better get all this stuff up out my bathroom. Now I got to go wash my hair and stuff for real. Look at this shit you done made a mess. Play too much. Well, you didn't have to play with my feelings. Girl, get your ass up out of here, huh? Look, you got baby powder everywhere. No, you got baby powder. I'm gonna clean this shit up. No, I'm gonna bring it with you. Bye. Bye, guys.
That was funny. That was really funny. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're all new to my channel or Jessica the Prankster's channel, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're all new to my channel or Jessica the Prankster's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my channel's playlist too, and my other videos on that playlist too, please, everybody. Please, everybody, please. Please don't forget, look at my channel's playlist and look at my other videos that are on that playlist as well also, please, everybody. Please, everybody, please. Please, everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.